Again, welcome to you. E-learning classes managed by Modern English School Navada. Myself, Sujay Kumar, your mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Navada. Dear friend, today I discuss some remaining questions of the examples of Pythagoras, exercise 70. Here the examples number 18 of the Pythagoras theorem, exercise 70. It states that in an equilateral triangle, prove that 3 times the square is equal to the 4 times the square of altitudes. 3 times the square of sides is equal to the 4 times the square of this altitude. The condition apply in equilateral triangle. So first we draw equilateral triangle, that is ABC. All 3 sides are equal. Next, the relation between the sides and the altitudes. So first we draw altitude. So altitude is AD. What is altitude? A line segment drawn from the vertex perpendicular to the opposite side. Altitude is a line segment of a triangle drawn from the vertex perpendicular to the opposite sides. And your question is to prove, the 3 times the square of the sides is equal to 4 times the square of the altitude. It is your question. So in relation between the altitudes and the sides. So find the relation between these here. So you take in solution you write in triangle ABD, AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. Next step, AB square, AD square, and this BD you can write BC by 2 whole square, because in equilateral triangle the altitude is also the median, because altitude divides the base into equal parts. So this BD is equal to half BC. It is possible only in equilateral triangle. So next, AB square is equal to AD square plus BC square by 4. Now AB square LCM 4 AD square plus BC square, cross multiplication 4 AB square is equal to 4 AD square plus BC square. Next, 4 AB square minus BC square is equal to 4 AD square. Here 4 AB square minus AB square, because AB and BC are all equal, because it is equilateral triangle. So AB is equal to BC is equal to AC is equal to 4 AD square. Then it is equal to 3 AB square is equal to 4 AD square. Your question is 3 times the square of the sides of equilateral triangle is equal to the 4 times the square of altitudes of the equilateral triangle. So it is your solution, that is proved. This is 17 questions. In an equilateral triangle with side A, then prove that altitude is equal to root 3 by 2 into A and area is equal to root 3 by 4 into A square. It is given that ABC is equilateral triangle and side is A unit. Because all sides have equal length, then AB is equal to BC is equal to AC, all are A. And draw perpendicular AD on BC, then AD bisect the BC into 2 equal parts. So it is clear BD is equal to A by 2. So now write the solution, that is BC is equal to A. So BD is equal to A by 2 unit. In triangle ABD, AD perpendicular to BC, so AB is the hypotenuse. So we write in triangle ABD, AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. In right angle triangle ABD, AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. Then A is A square, AD you have to find, and BD is A by 2 whole square. So it is A square minus A square by 4 is equal to AD square. Take LCM, that is 4. It is 4A square minus A square, that is AD square. So AD square is equal to 3A square by 4. Then what is AD? AD is equal to under root 3A square by 4, and it is equal to root 3A by 2, because A square root is A and 4 is root 2, but root 3 has no any root, so we write here root 3 unit AD. And AD is the altitudes of the triangle ABC. So altitude is root 3 by 2A. If you find altitude, then clear way you can find the area of the triangle. So you write area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. Then it is equal to 1 by 2. Base is A and height is root 3 by 2 into A. It is the height, and base is this A. So area of triangle is 1 by 2 base into height. Then you write root 3 by 4 A square, your square unit. A square unit. It is the area of equilateral triangle. Now question number 18 of example 7D. O is the point inside of triangle ABC, and OD perpendicular to BC, OE perpendicular to AC, and OF perpendicular to AB. And there are two conditions you have to prove. First condition, OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square is equal to AF square plus BD square plus CA square. And next condition is this. First I discuss what is given your solution in first questions. That is, it is given OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square. See, find RHS. What is you have? RHS is AF square. So from this figure, to find AF square, it is AF. So AF square is equal to AOA square minus OF square. Find out. Your RHS is AF square from the help of LHS, and AF square is AOA square minus OF square. So you arrange it according to RHS. You arrange OA square and minus OF square. Plus, next your question is BD. What is BD? BO square minus OD square. So here is OB square minus OD square. And last is CE. Here is C. It is C. Then OC square minus OE square. So here is OC and here is OE. So OC square minus OE square. So what you get? OA minus OF is equal to AF square plus OB minus OD is equal to BD square, and OC square minus OE square is equal to CA square. It is RHS, that is 4. So you are again rearrange the LHS, then you find RHS. Now second question. Second question is, that is, you have AF square plus BD square plus CA square. From these questions, you find AF square. AF square is OA square minus OF square plus BD, BO square minus OD square plus CE, CO square minus OE square. Next it is OA square. OA square, you have to find A. Find out where is A. OA square minus OE square. So you write OA square minus OE square from here. Plus, next is BF. Here BF, BO square minus OF square. You write BO square minus OF square. And third, C, that is CO square minus CD, CO square minus OD square. OD is here. Then it is A square, it is BF square, it is CD square, and that is RHS. So it is 4. A square plus BF square plus CD square, it is RHS, that is 4. Now see question number 20 of the examples of 7D. That is, prove that the sum of the squares on the sides of a rhombus is equal to the sum of the squares of its diagonals. Question is that if it is a rhombus, ABCD is a rhombus, that means the all sides have equal, and AC and BD are the diagonal intersect at 2. Then you have to prove a sum of the square of the sides, that is AB square, BC square, CD square plus AD square is equal to the sum of the square of diagonals. Diagonal is AC square plus BD square. Solution or proof. Dear student, it is a property of a rhombus that diagonals of rhombus are bisect to each other at right angle. That means it is right angle, and it is bisect to each other. It is bisect to each other. So you can find AB easily way in triangle AOB. AB is the hypotenuse. So AB square is equal to OA square plus OB square. OA means AC by 2 whole square. OB means BD by 2 whole square. Then it is equal to AC square by 4, and it is equal to BD square by 4 is equal to AB square. Take LCM, then AB square is equal to LCM is 4 AC square plus BD square. Cross multiplication. What you get? You get 4AB square is equal to AC square plus BD square. This 4 is for this side. This AB you can write AB square plus AB square plus AB square plus AB square is equal to AC square plus BD square. This 4AB square you can write AB square plus AB square plus AB square plus AB square. And now all the sides have equal length. Then you write this AB square, this change into BC square, this change into CD square, and this change into AD square, because all have equal. and it is equal to AC square plus BD square. And it is, we have to prove that the sum of the square of the sides is equal to the sum of the square of its diagonal. On the property of the Pythagoras, because diagonals are perpendicular, bisect each other, and you can find the easy way this theorem. Thank you. Next question is solved.